Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a super exciting knife unboxing to share with you guys. The person behind this knife reached out to me, and this is one of those situations where I basically said yes before I even got all the details. I'm so excited for this one. So these will be available at Blade Show, and then the goal, according to the person behind this knife, is to do a drop or pre-order or something like that. Imagine it. I think they're still in production right now. Sometime in June, mid to late June, but don't hold them to that. It just kind of depends on a bunch of stuff. Obviously, you know how it goes. So, appropriate links down in the description. Don't expect to be able to get anything right away, but I want to make you guys aware of this here right now. Thanks so much to the gentleman who sent this in. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. That's been upside down this whole time, hasn't it? Okay. Doesn't matter. Everybody watching probably already follows me on Instagram anyway. If you don't, I'm on Instagram. It's fine. Instagram, I feel like, used to be better, you know, but whatever. So he told me that there was a surprise in here. One of the things I know exactly what it is. The other thing I imagine is the same knife, but he's being theatrical with it, right? Okay. We got some of this stuff here, and we got, okay, yeah, and then I don't know what that is. This is the thing that I knew about. But there's a note. There's a note. Hold on. Here we go. Whoops, there's a bunch of different stuff here. So this is the Vandal. And let me give you this information right here. Instagram at Null_knives. Website is nullknives.com. If you're familiar with the Voodoo, you're probably familiar with the Voodoo. That's my favorite model. He makes a lot of great stuff, but the Voodoo is my favorite. I own three of them. Really cool knives. Anyways, we're so excited to introduce an all-new model dubbed Vandal. The Vandal is our largest folder to date, built with purpose and presence, featuring a 3.85 blade in Van Act Super Clean. I love that. I know a lot of you guys do too. This knife is designed to stand out and stand up to anything. Bold claims. I'm sure it's like, like anything, reasonable within like knife world parameters. Okay, I'm not going to read anymore, but there's a couple of changes here. Extend forward choil, T8 Torx pivot, changing to this stuff. Edge of pivot and tri-studs. Logo size is going to be reduced by 20%, and then there'll be a gold camo variant. So, yeah, these are prototypes. Let me open up this one. This is the one, he gave me a, choice. These prototypes have to go back. I don't get to keep them. Ooh, the Vandal. The big Vandal. Let's see. Oh, this is very much the part of Null that I like. This is so... It has that voodoo-esque kind of presence, but clearly its own thing. Let's open her up. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, I love the size. The size is so great. So... the Voodoo is a good size, and the Voodoo is a full size. The action is exact. This is exactly what I was hoping it to be. The Voodoo is a good size of knife. It has such a cool blade shape, and the Vandal also, while it does have, it's a compound. I don't know what we want to call this sort of airplane. It's like a small water aircraft looking. I don't know why it makes me think of that. Yeah, it has that unique Null style. That nice. Look at that. That half frame, half blade choil. Love that. Very comfortable, very ergonomic without sacrificing meaningful cutting edge. We have a titanium, well, it's a frame. It's not it's faux bolster. This is all the frame. And then you have the camo carbon inlays with that same texturing on the backspacer that we saw on the Voodoo. Nice pocket clip. Don't know if they're going to do lefties or not. Not sure. The action is absolutely wonderful. That triangular, is that a... I always forget what a tetrahedron is. I always joke and say tetrahedron. Tetrahedron. People go, it's pronounced tetrahedron. All right. Whatever this is very comfortable on the finger. It's very useful to deploy it. I do like that. What is this? What are you? It appears to be purpley. Holy God. God, that's crystal tie. Oh, uh-oh. The blade's doing something wacky. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Let me take it in a little at a time. Don't. Do not say that's what she said. Don't. Listen. Oh, this is the most beautiful crystal tie I have ever seen. Oh my God. You gotta be kidding me. I want one of these. I need to know the secrets of this. I want the details of this. What other colors? Oh gosh. Oh my goodness, this is so amazing. There's a part of me that wanted to ask for a moment, is this actually crystallized titanium Damascus? And the reason is because it almost looks like the individual chunks are different things. But no, I don't believe so. Now hold on. This is clearly like it's been customized by Null. Look at that. Oh, look at this. Let's whisper about it together. Look at that. This is Damascus though. Oh yeah. Oh, this is a polished Damasteel, maybe? Okay, here we go. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. What black magic produced this? What nether world was this forged in? Oh, God, what? What spells from the Necronomicon? Oh, what dark spells produced this magical blade? Oh my God, look at this. It's wacky. I don't even know, man. I don't have the vocabulary to deal with this right now. God, people expect me to talk during these. No, they expect me to talk. I have to say things with my mouth. My brain has to function. My brain has to make word come out of mouth. Why you send, huh? Damn it. This is incredible. God, what an awesome night. I want one. I have to own this. I have to know. Oh my. Oh, now this is special. This is not the level of thing that I was expecting to come in today. I was just expecting to thoroughly enjoy the Vandal, which I do. I do enjoy it. But this is not what I was expecting. Now I have to read. Pricing and configuration: natural, black, camo, gold, purple haze, launch exclusive, blurple crystallized tie, gray crystallized tie, double polished, Fafnir, Damasteel, gray crystallized tie, hardware satin. That's what this is. $725? Yeah, absolutely. I would pay that for this. That's what I would pay. We are looking at an entry price on this knife estimated at $365, substantially more for Damasteel, and actually quite a bit more for hand rub. It says natural micarta $365. This is MSRP though. Remember, your actual retail might actually drop a little bit. I don't know how we do this a little bit. So these are MSRP prices. Okay, keep in mind. Black micarta $385. Black camo CF hand rub is $425, and black camo carbon fiber Damasteel is $615. Gold camo carbon fiber $425. Purple haze carbon fiber $425. And then your launch exclusive blurple crystal tie it's this one here, $725. If that's what that ends up being, I would pay that for this. This is very, very cool. I really like this a lot. I think that is fun and neat and special. Okay. This is not a review. We're just doing an unboxing and first impressions. Assuming that I'll have to talk to them and see exactly like how much of a change, if he wants me to review the prototype or wait. I'll be happy to wait. Very cool stuff though. So yeah, details, the appropriate links in the description. You can check those out if you want to. Where's my card? Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.